Today, we're diving into the concept of detachment and how it can lead to greater emotional freedom and inner peace. We'll cover several key practices that can help you master the art of detachment, letting go of unhealthy attachments and reducing stress. Let's explore these techniques and how they can benefit your life. 1. Mindfulness and awareness. Mindfulness involves being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, you can observe your emotions and reactions more objectively, which helps in detaching from them. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and mindful observation can enhance your awareness and emotional resilience. 2. Setting healthy boundaries. Establishing clear boundaries is crucial for emotional detachment. Identify areas in your life where you may need to set limits, such as in relationships or work. Communicate your boundaries assertively and protect your personal space to avoid overextending yourself or becoming overly entangled in others' issues. Practice 3. Developing a growth mindset. A growth mindset focuses on viewing challenges and setbacks as opportunities for learning and personal development. By shifting your perspective, you can detach from fixed beliefs and embrace change with a positive attitude. This mindset helps you adapt and let go of attachments to outcomes or failures. 4. Practicing self-compassion. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with kindness and understanding during difficult times. Instead of criticizing yourself for perceived shortcomings, practice self-kindness and acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes. Self-compassion fosters emotional resilience and helps you detach from self-critical thoughts. 5. Cultivating non-attachment. Non-attachment is about enjoying life's experiences without becoming overly attached to them. This means appreciating moments and relationships without clinging to them or letting them define your happiness. Focus on the present moment and practice gratitude for what you have without fixating on specific outcomes. 6. Engaging in self-care. Prioritizing self-care is essential for maintaining emotional balance and detachment. Engage in activities that nurture your well-being, such as exercise, hobbies, and relaxation. Self-care helps you manage stress and maintain a healthy sense of self, making it easier to let go of negative attachments. 7. Seeking professional support. If you find it challenging to practice detachment on your own, consider seeking support from a mental health professional. Therapy can provide valuable tools and insights for managing attachments and emotional challenges. Professional guidance can help you develop effective strategies for emotional detachment and overall well-being. Remember, mastering the art of detachment is a journey that can lead to greater peace and freedom. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.